Understanding pipe sealant, a key concept in plumbing. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very specific but important term used in plumbing: pipe sealant. Whether you're interested in practical English vocabulary or just curious about different terms, this video is for you. Pipe sealant is a type of adhesive product used in plumbing to seal or close the joints and connections between pipes. This ensures that no water, gas, or other substances leak from the pipes. Sealants can come in various forms, such as pastes, liquids, or tapes. There are different types of pipe sealants, each with unique properties. The most common types include 1. Teflon tape, a thin, white tape applied around the pipe threads. 2. Anaerobic resin compounds, liquid sealants that harden in the absence of air. 3. Silicone-based sealants, flexible and waterproof, ideal for areas needing a watertight seal. Pipe sealants are used in various settings, including household plumbing, to prevent leaks in sinks, showers, and other fixtures. Industrial applications, in factories or plants where pipes carry gases or chemicals. Automotive systems, in car radiators and fuel systems to prevent leaks. When applying pipe sealant, it's important to 1. Clean the threads. Ensure the pipe threads are clean for a better seal. 2. Apply the right amount. Too much or too little can affect the seal's effectiveness. 3. Wait for it to set. Some sealants require time to dry or cure. While using pipe sealant, remember to wear protective gloves and glasses. Work in a well-ventilated area. Follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully. We hope this video has helped you understand what pipe sealant is and how it's used. Whether you're diving into English for professional reasons or just expanding your vocabulary, knowledge of such specific terms can be very useful. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.